You're a tough cookie. And that's the last thing I'll say. Okay, you want the truth? I'll tell you everything. When I was 13 years old, I once made love to myself behind a post office. When I was 9 years old, I fed cereal flakes to a frog and it died. Then I went on a period of time where I fed cereal flakes to all little animals. Squirrels can live through it, chipmunks can live through it. Anything that lives half in and out of water dies, and I don't understand why. When I was 10, I once walked by my mother sleeping, and I snuck in the room and I put a lemon in her mouth. When I was 11, I once tried on my girl cousin's wool tights, and I didn't hate the way it felt.
Why are you telling me this?
Because you said you wanted to hear everything. My 16th year, I never got an erection. I thought they were done. I thought my penis was dead. It wasn't.